Hi, I'm Matt from the Intergalactic Herald. Welcome to our latest Star Atlas Weekly News Recap, number 63. If you'd like to learn more about any of the links mentioned here, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for News Recap 63. Park the Pirate posted a video announcing the Town Hall for Star Atlas. Beyond the Horizon posted a video about some escape velocity updates and additionally to announcing the Town Hall. Metaverse Nomads posted the live stream of the Star Atlas Town Hall number 39. Metaverse Explorer did a recap of the Star Atlas Town Hall, mentioning things like the upcoming Showroom 2.1. The Hologram published an article on Medium recapping the Star Atlas Town Hall. Beyond the Horizon posted a video of all of the videos that were shown during the Star Atlas Town Hall. Puck the Pirate posted a video going through some of the things that came up in the Star Atlas Town Hall. The first video was about the new Showroom 2.1. Metaverse Nomads posted their weekly live stream where they talked about Star Atlas news, including the everything that came out during the Town Hall. AFIA published their weekly Star Atlas newsletter, number 81. Gladiator posted a video where he went through some of the things that were announced at the Town Hall. Puck the Pirate did a second video on updates from the Town Hall, this time about Sage mining and crafting. Puck the Pirate then published his third video from announcements at the Town Hall, this one related to the DAO. Metaverse Explorer posted a video of a number of Star Atlas updates. Star Atlas posted on their YouTube channel a video they produced about the Pierce X6. Star Atlas also published a article on Medium announcing the release of the Showroom 2.1 version. Star Atlas posted a video on their YouTube channel as a trailer for the Showroom release 2.1. Metaverse Explorer did a walkthrough of the gameplay in the new Showroom 2.1, including the new experimental build. And the club posted their look at the Star Atlas Showroom 2.1. If you'd like to get links to any of the videos or articles mentioned here, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for News Recap 63. Thank you.